Hey y'all. Well, getting ready for the velvet hunt down here in the hunting room YouTube studio. And hadn't had too much luck with my hand, my amputation with my bow. So it looks like I'm going to be taking a crossbow in the morning. I'm just not confident enough in my bow. I can't seem to hit really accurate the way I used to at 30 yards. So 40-yard shot's impossible. So I'm taking a crossbow. But in saying that, I've been meaning to shoot a video on this. I'm going to be trying out tooth of the arrow broadheads. Now, these are made in the USA. They're heat treated for toughness and strength. I mean, they're 100% made in the USA. They're cut for one piece of steel. These are the XL series. They're a little bit bigger than I got the neck size up, so I think it's 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches cutting diameter if it's straight through, and a little bit better on angle. So we're going to see if we can get a little bit better kinetic energy out of these. They seem to fly just as good as a field point. So we're going to try these out. Well, I just give him a good haircut. Them coats, they bounced through there. There was 3 of them come in. Of course, first shot of the season, first time trying to turn the camera on, first time trying to get everything together for 2022. It was kind of wild. So found my arrow up in the tree, and I'm telling you, that tooth of the arrow broadhead, it took a beating on the ground. It didn't bend it, misshape it or nothing. I'll be able to sharpen it and be able to use it. But got a little bit of hair and fat, just a little bit of blood on the arrow, but I don't think he's dead, but he won't forget where he was shot at either. I'm just going to show you what these tooth arrow broadheads shoot like. So, and they're extremely sharp. Be sure you use the tool that comes with them. These things are sharp. But I'm going to shoot at 40 yards using the orange and yellow fletching with a field tip on it. Then I'm going to shoot a red and white veined one, same weight, same exact arrow. It's just got different fletches so we can tell the difference once it hits the bag. I'm going to be shooting the blackout block. It's supposed to be broadhead stoppable, but we're fixing to put that to the test. So I'm going to shoot it. It's easier to pick up on the smaller camera. Orange and yellow. Freehand. That hit a little low. I'm moving a little bit. Blue knock, white and red veins. Broadhead. I knew I was shooting a little low, but as you can see, that's I think kinetic energy was about the same, but you can see we're really close as far as flight. Both arrows weigh the exact same grain, exact same length. Fletchings are just a hair different, but I've shot these with field tips and they all shoot the same. So we'll go down here and sharpen up the broadhead from the velvet hunt. Okay, I'm in here in the bow shot, or the hunting room, YouTube studio room. As you can see, this is the arrow I shot. There is some nicks in it where it hit the ground. This one's pretty sharp, but I mean, this arrow held up. I mean, this broadhead held up phenomenal. I ain't even got the dirt wiped off of it. So I'm gonna wipe this down, and we're gonna use a tooth arrow broadhead sharpener. It says use a little honing oil, or I'll probably use some krill oil. I've got some krill oil, and we're gonna see if we can bring this thing back to being sharp, as it was when I got it at least. I'm gonna take a little rim oil, spray on it. Just clean it up a little bit. Right here. Get it cleaned up where it looks good. Yeah. Now once it's clean, I don't know if you can see it or not with the blue maybe behind it, there is some nicks in it right there. So we're going to take this honing tool, and it says, or this sharpener tool, and it says for best results use with honing oil. Use downward pressure, stroke away, keeping hands away from broadhead blades. If broadheads resist, use more strokes, not pressure. Clean after each use with a damp cloth. So I've got a damp cloth here. So I'm going to set this down, pan the camera down. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. I'm going to do it to all the blades. Okay. And then you lay it down with your point in, just like so. Rotate. 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 I want you to look at those blades. That is unreal. Here's the one that had the nick in it, right there. I think I can hit that again and maybe even get that little piece right there out. Okay, let's try this again. There's a little groove, you'll feel it snap down. You're going to give a down pressure. I'm going to do it twice for each blade. Pretty dang sharp. All right, well, that'll fix that. That's a money saver. Well, we'll try these out on some deer. It'll be either be using these with a bow or the crossbow. But if anybody out there is interested in fixed blade broadheads and they want to try something that's reasonable, there'll be a link in the description below that will tell you all about these, or where you can go look them up, and they have many different varieties. But I have shot a lot of mechanical and fixed blades, and once they hit the ground, a lot of times the tip's been over, they're done, they're no good no more. But this one right here took a beating. It's been shot into the ground and ricocheted and went up into the trees. So it's been beat up. It still twists just fine. It spins just fine. Everything's good. So y'all check out Tooth of the Arrow. This might be something you're interested in. I had to give them an honest review and try it. I'm not a big fan of fixed blade broadheads, but I like this one. I used to be a big fan of Muzzy and the Blackout from Bass Pro. This one right here competes right with any of the big name ones. So y'all check them out. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe and like. Share what broadheads you like to use in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the link in the description. And as always, God bless. We'll see you on the next video. Deer season's coming.